Alright, today finally I got the Modern Warfare 3 for PS3 and for Xbox. I got 2 copies here. Check it out. And I got the model for PS3. I got the Elite package with it. So every map pack that comes out, yeah, I'm not gonna show you the code. I don't want you to get the map. So every map pack that comes out, I get it for free from now on. It's pretty sick. And the Xbox. Peace.